Good evening, sir. My name is Ian Dave Z. Ibias. I'm 19 years old and I'm from Paitan, Quezon, Bukidnon. I choose historical incident is sir, kanang people, power, democracy, because it shows that Filipinos bring change to unity and peaceful actions. It reminds us that every citizen has the power to protect freedom and democracy. Then akong question, sir, is what happened during the people's power revolution? Kadua, sir, kay why is the people power revolution important in the Philippine history? What lesson Filipinos learn from this event? Then ang kuan, sir, ang influence na to karon na about sa power revolution, sir, is the people power revolution continues to inspire Filipinos to stand up for what is the right, work together for a better country. In my personal life, sir, it teach me to value freedom, respect others, and believe that even small actions can make positive difference. Thank you, sir.